What services fall under commercial plumbing?
Commercial plumbing covers all the systems and services that keep your business running safely and efficiently every day. That includes inspections, routine maintenance, leak detection, drain cleaning, sewer line work, and servicing high-capacity water heaters for buildings with heavy daily use. If you're in Harvey, Louisiana, you've probably seen issues like hidden leaks, clogged drains, aging underground lines, or even slab-related pipe problems. Services like plumbing reroutes, underground drain cleaning, unslab repair, and professional water heater installation can help you avoid costly disruptions and keep everything running smoothly.
If your business needs reliable plumbing support, call Moret Plumbing today
To schedule your commercial plumbing service and keep your operations running without interruption.